good news is it looks like it's not going to be like a super heavy rain. I'm assuming this guy's turning, but he's not using his blinker. Yep, that is exactly the case. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. House pad fully closed. That was not good. I was hoping to get some gas. Thankfully, wifey was able to get gas on her way to work this morning, super early. She was able to use her car too, so I guess they're just out of gas. Don't want to deal with people. Well, it's looking a lot better already. So yeah, it's October 1st. Been a couple days since Helene moved through. I'm actually on my way right now to find hopefully 5G connectivity. Oh, they're already working on it. That's awesome. Okay. Thank you, Ken. I'm trying to find data connectivity so that way I can post the video I've made of everything I've seen so far. I'm going to go try to find a hotspot. There are 2 places I'm going to try. And if either of those work out, I'm going to head back home. Well, I'm trying to find some gas. I'm still like mostly full, so that's good. But topping off would be safer than nothing at all. I think this guy's looking for gas too. He's got his fuel tank on the back of his bike. It is now what, Tuesday? It's all just been a blur, yeah. So it's Tuesday. Helene came through over the weekend, and like I said before, we were out without power for about 16 hours, and cell service has been like little minimal blips here and there, just little spurts of information. I don't know if it's saturated or just lack of connectivity or what. No data services, just, and I'm only just now getting back like messaging. I haven't tried any calls yet, so that's a step in the right direction. So we've got a couple of things going for us now. Yeah, I want to get this video out. I put a lot of work into this initial video. It's going to be a low quality, but I have a longer, higher quality version I want to post later. See how that goes. I've heard information that I-40 out to Tennessee is fully just obliterated. Like, I saw a video clip, and it's just, it like washed away half the road. So that's going to be a long effort repairing that. And then I heard there were numerous mudslides, some blocking us to the east. I don't know if this is true or not, but I've also heard to the north is blocked up into Tennessee. So if I'm not mistaken, the only routes that are open are to the south. So depending on how quickly the service people can work, maybe things won't get too dire. Luckily, my wife and I were able to get to the grocery store yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna do the interstate. I don't have the fuel to spare. We were able to get some groceries yesterday, thankfully. Unfortunately, it wasn't like super healthy stuff, but it was like a lot of non-perishable stuff. So a lot of this stuff had already been shopped out. Well, it looks like 40 is open back up. That's a good sign. Some more traffic out on the roads. It just amazes me the amount of abandoned cars just splattered up and down the roads. I'm thinking that's probably lines for gas still. Looks like they've blocked off. Yep, they are out. People are in line for ATM too. Cool. See what's going on here. I might try to hop in and fill up. I don't see a long line. Oh, that's right there. Okay.
You take card?
Sweet, awesome, thank you. Okay, park on the side so they can guide me. This is kind of a priority right now, so I'm gonna pull him beside this guy. Hopefully he doesn't mind too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a minute. See how this goes. Yeah, I didn't get any of that. So a couple of interesting things happened. Number one, I was able to get filled up on gas. Number two, a big old Chinook helicopter went over, and I got a nice, beautiful shot, except I realized I wasn't freaking recording. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to stop up here. I got 5G, so I'm going to check in with some folks. I'm going to upload a video. And then, yeah, I'll bring you guys back in once I get situated here. I can only imagine what that looks like up there. Yeah, this must all have been underwater too, because I mean, the river's just right there. Wow. Wow. All right, I'm going to pull up and just kind of hang out for a minute, check my messages.
God.
Yeah, you might be right on that.
That was unbelievable. I mean, we still don't have power. All my neighbors around me have power.
Yeah.
And our little neighborhood on our circle doesn't have power, and we lost our water this morning.
Oh no, that's not good.
Do you have water? Or?
I got some on me. I mean, do you
No,
need
no,
some,
no.
or?
I've got water at the house.
Yeah.
And I have a neighbor in the next neighbor over that helps me with water. What I've been doing is boiling my water.
Yeah.
For the last couple of days,
Yeah.
and I've been boiling for like 2 days. You know, fill them, and so I have good drinkable water. And today we lost our water. Today was the day there was going into my neighborhood, a huge tree fell down, broke a water line. It was a gigantic gusher of water, and then it came down, and then it was trickling, and I said, that's probably a bad sign. Losing pressure.
All right, so this has been my hangout spot for the past 2 hours. I was going to do a lot more riding today, but the thing I was trying to upload to YouTube took like 2 hours. This is the only place I've had 5G, so I was willing to sit here and upload that. So yeah, that was covering all this. There's a log going down the river there. But yeah, this is where I had it. The road was closed. You know, I'm just here hanging out in the shade. It was a little sunny, it was a little warmer earlier, so not too much of an issue. Talked to some folks. It's wild. Like, I've had a lot of people just be nice to me and just start talking to me out of nowhere. They're just dealt with everything I've dealt with, so I get it. So, yeah, so my thing uploaded, I don't know. Oh, yeah, I was watching. Keeping an eye out for stuff. I'm gonna have to tighten that. Yeah, I feel like I don't know if I'm in shock or what it is, but it just everything. But yeah, it's crazy. The amount of closures just everywhere. Bags on the pumps. Okay, those are out of gas. Yeah, it smells like fire. Heavy. There's the other smoke right there. Okay. More smoke. Yeah. Where is the smoke? That's a little concerning. Oh, there we go. Oh well, I'm just gonna go look. I'm curious. Oh wow. Okay, yeah. 215 fully closed. Wow. And I'm not gonna get too close. I would hate for it to buckle more. And they just repaved this. Wow. That is amazing. Okay. I think that's a good sign to head back home. Yeah, I think it's a good time to go ahead and start heading back home. So I'm going to wrap this up here. Not a lot today. Just I was going to go out and do more exploring, but I ran out of time because of uploading that video. But getting that video up was priority because I really want to document and share kind of what we've been going through. I only caught little bits and pieces of stuff on TikTok in the news about just how widespread and catastrophic everything was. Like, so many roads closed, so many areas just completely obliterated. There's people missing. It's going to be bad for a while. I hope that food and fuel do not become more scarce. The fact that we were able to, me and my wife were able to get fuel with our cards today was a good sign. The fact that I got basic service on my phone at home today was a good sign. I don't have data at home yet. I don't have internet at home yet. So it's still kind of a little bit of a blackout, but at least I can talk to people more. Yeah, man. See how it goes. I'm going to keep trying to document this the best I can. And upload as time and data permit. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching my stupid little writing videos, and I'll share more when I can. So, as always, I can't do it in here. Take it easy.